When cameras see an image, they use white as a reference point for how to understand all the colors that they're seeing. If it can't find pure white, it might use another color as a reference, which creates a tinted image. This can be removed easily in post-production sometimes, but other times it can be challenging. So it's important before shooting each scene to white balance the camera. This is the process of telling the camera what white looks like in your scene. Now, you don't need to white balance for each shot usually, but it is a good idea to readjust the white balance each time you have a different lighting setup or location change. Many cameras, like DSLRs for example, will have presets that you can use based on your lighting or the time of day. You can also get a custom white balance by using a gray card set in the center of the frame. For this process, you would put the white balance card near the subject so you can calculate the light that's actually falling on that spot. Now, for the actual mechanics of how to white balance your particular camera, you'll want to consult the help documentation for your particular camera. Or, Google it, whatever. But for many cameras, you'll need to frame the card so that it's in the center of the frame. That's where the camera will be looking to determine the white balance. For some cameras that shoot RAW, like our Red Scarlet that we use to film the Assurance, white balance is metadata. That means that the white balance information isn't burned into the video when it's recorded, and it can be adjusted in post-production. So I actually didn't worry about white balancing on our set, unless the monitors got really off or something like that. Then I just do a really quick white balance just to kind of get in the ballpark. But for most cameras, white balance is an essential step before shooting a scene in order to get a great looking image.